Hello children, our today's topic is conventions of writing. Our today's topic is conventions of writing. Conventions of writing include writing correct spelling, capital letters wherever necessary, using of full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, and inverted commas. Conventions of writing include writing correct spelling, capital letters wherever necessary, using of full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, and inverted commas. In English, there are 14 punctuation marks. In our today's class, we are not going to learn all 14, but only a few. Let us see what conventions of writing include. Using of capital letters, full stop, question mark, comma, exclamation mark, and inverted commas. Using of capital letter. Using of capital letter. We use capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. We use capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. When we write the names of persons, places, titles of the lessons, books, etc. We also use capital letters when we write the names of persons, places, title of the lesson, books, etc. Let us see some examples. My name is Rani. Here in the sentence, M is the starting of the sentence. So M should be capital letter. Rani is the name given to one particular person. So R should be capital letter. My name is Rani. Here you can see capital M in MY and Rani R capital letter we should write and end it with a full stop. Second example, I live in Delhi. I is the starting of the sentence, so I should be capital letter. Delhi, D should be capital letter as it is the particular name given to one particular place. Here, letter I is capitalized everywhere because it refers to yourself. So it should be capitalized, means we should write it as capital letter only everywhere, whether it is starting or in the middle of the sentence, we should write I as capital letter. And D, as it is the name of a place, Delhi, so D also should be capital letter. Using of correct spellings and full stop. Using of correct spellings and full stop. Full stop is used to mark the end of the sentence. Full stop is used to mark the end of the sentence. Whenever you look at a sentence, children, in conventions of writing, we should also check the correct spellings. Look at the first sentence. I go through forest and tunnels. Here, through spelling, forest spelling is wrong. So we should change the spellings and write. And we should put full stop at the end of the sentence. I go through forest and tunnels. You can see the correct spelling of through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H. T-H-R-O-U-G-H. GH. Forest spelling FORESTS. FORESTS. I go through forest and tunnels. We have ended it with a full stop. Let us see one more example. The train was coming from Visakhapatnam. Here if you see, train spelling is wrong and from spelling is wrong. So we have to write the correct spelling and put a full stop at the end of the sentence. The train was coming from Visakhapatnam. Train spelling TRAIN, from spelling FROM, from, and we have ended with a full stop. The train was coming from Visakhapatnam. Using of question mark. In conventions of writing, using of question mark also is included. We use question mark when we ask a question. We use question mark when we ask a question. Yes, let us see some examples. What is your name? This is a question. You want to get some information from another person. So that is called as question. What is your name? End it with a question mark. Second example. How old are you? How old are you? End it with a question mark. Third example. Where do you live? Where do you live? End it with a question mark. Using of comma. Comma is used within a sentence. It helps the reader when and where to pause. It helps the reader when and where to pause. Pause means to stop and start again, to wait for a while. It makes the meaning of the sentence clear. By inserting comma, the meaning of the sentence also is very clear. It is used to separate 3 or more names or series of words in the sentence. It is used to separate 3 or more names or series of words in the sentence. Let us see some examples. Rani went to the shop and bought a cake, chocolates, biscuits, and cool drinks. Here, cake, chocolates, biscuits, and cool drinks are one series of words. Like Rani went to the shop and she bought all these things. So we can separate them by using comma. Rani went to the shop and bought a cake, comma, chocolates, comma, biscuits, and cool drinks, full stop. Rani went to the shop and bought a cake, comma, chocolates, comma, biscuits, and cool drinks, full stop. Aditri, Neha, Sirichandana, and Rosemary are friends. Here, these are the names of girls. We are telling that these all are friends. They can be separated by using a comma. Aditri, comma, Neha, comma, Sirichandana, and Rosemary are friends. Let us see one more example. Siddhita is a very clever, intelligent, and a smart girl. Here we are telling the qualities of Siddhita, that she is very clever, intelligent, and smart girl. Siddhita is a very clever, comma, intelligent, and a smart girl. We have conventions of writing in lesson 1 in page 13. Conventions of writing in textbook, page 13. Read the following sentences. Make necessary changes using capital letters full stop, and correct spellings. Read the following sentences. Make the necessary changes using capital letters, full stop, and correct spellings. First one, my name is Rail Raja. As I told you all children, first letter should be capital letter and special names should be written in capital letter. First letter should be written and we should end it with a full stop. Here, my name is Rail Raja. M is capital letter. R, Rail Raja. Rail, R-A-I-L, Rail. R you can see capital letter. And Raja, R again is capital letter. And we have ended with a full stop. I am your friend. Here, I should be capital letter. And here, friend spelling is wrong. So, we should correct it and write. I am your friend. I is capital letter. Friend spelling was incorrect in the first sentence, in the second sentence. So we have corrected and we have written that is F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. And we have ended with a full stop. That's all for today's class, children. Thank you.